On August 2, in the afternoon, a thunderstorm front came to the Tver region, which brought with it a tornado and wind in gusts of up to 25 meters per second. Andropol was the first to be hit by the elements. According to preliminary data, the Selizhourovsky district is now under threat. Now employees of 9 fire brigades and the emergency rescue service of the Tver region are working on the spot. In total, due to the tornado, at least 90 trees fell, about 70 buildings were damaged, over 1,600 houses were de-energized.